the National Safety Weeks or Safety Week celebrations, they used to do some actions or drama for visualizing the safety or the real-time scenarios. Okay. Any questions in this as of now? We have done this safety participation. Meanwhile, I'll go to the other topic. You can ask me if you have any questions. Any questions? Okay. So we'll see another topic, which is theories of or models of accident causation. Prior to this, we have to understand what is mean by accident. Anybody can give definition. You can unmute and talk. What is mean by accident?
Accident is unwanted events.
Okay.
Injuries to harm and health and environmental losses. Property loss.
Yes. Accident is nothing but unexpected, unwanted, or unplanned events which may or may not result into human injuries, property damage, or environmental pollution. Okay. Accidents are unexpected, unplanned, or unwanted events which may or may not. Sometimes it may result into injuries, sometimes it may not, which is called accidents. Now we'll see the causation theory. Causation theory is in the sense, what will be the reasons for accidents to happen? అంటే ప్రమాదాలు జరగడానికి గల కారణాలు. థియరీలు అంటే ఏంటి? ఇవన్నీ చదువుకొని వాళ్ళు క్రియేట్ చేసినవి. ఓకే, ఈ విధంగా జరిగితే ప్రమాదం జరిగేదానికి ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. దీస్ ఆర్ ద వేస్ the accidents may happen, or these are the reasons for accidents to happen. Okay. Now I have already told in the first class what is mean by unsafe action, unsafe condition, accident, and near miss. Can anybody can give examples for each unsafe action? What will be the example? Example for unsafe action.
Sir.
చెప్పండి.
Person is working from height without using safety harness. Example, forklift పైన pallet పెట్టి వర్క్ చేయడం సార్. Is unsafe action.
Okay, fine, very good. Any other answers? Or other examples?
Sir.
చెప్పండి వెళ్ళు.
Mobile using, sir, driving time.
Okay, very good example. Unsafe action while driving, usage of mobile phone. Okay, Suresh, without PPEs. Okay, what about others? We have 17 participants. I got only 3 answers. What about others? Right or wrong, you can give your answer, no problem. Nobody is going to penalize you. Unsafe action. Okay, what is mean by unsafe condition? Examples of unsafe condition?
Combustible materials దగ్గర హాట్ వర్క్ చేయడం.
Okay. Either it is unsafe action or unsafe condition.
Unsafe action.
Unsafe action. If you say same example, unsafe condition, vapors or flammable vapors, that is unsafe condition, or oil spillage or toxic gas leak, that is a unsafe condition. అంటే ఇది ఎలా అంటే ఎక్సెప్ట్ మనుషులు చేసే పని కాకుండా ఎక్విప్మెంట్ రిలేటెడ్ కానీ లేదా వర్క్ ప్లేస్ రిలేటెడ్ కానీ అక్కడ ఉండే కండిషన్ రిలేటెడ్ కానీ మనిషి చేసే తప్పిదాలు కాకుండా మిగిలిన ఏవైనా కూడా మనకి అన్సేఫ్ కండిషన్స్ కింద వస్తాయి. ఎనీ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ అన్సేఫ్ కండిషన్?
మెషిన్
Using
గార్డింగ్
vehicle
లేకుండా
without proper brakes.
సారీ,
మెషిన్
and
గార్డింగ్
explosion
లేకుండా
hazard.
గ్రైండింగ్ వర్క్.
ఎవరైనా ఒకళ్ళు చెప్పండి.
Fire and
Machine
explosion
guarding
hazard.
శేఖర్ చెప్పండి.
Fire and explosion hazards.
ఫైర్ అండ్ ఎక్స్ప్లోజన్ హజార్డ్స్. నేను అన్సేఫ్ కండిషన్ కి ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అడుగుతున్నాను.
మెషిన్
Unsafe
గార్డింగ్
condition.
ఎక్విప్మెంట్ ని యూజ్ చేయడం.
ఓకే, వేలు మీరు?
సార్ వితౌట్ బాడీ అయితే సార్.
అది కూడా అన్సేఫ్ కండిషన్ కింద వస్తుంది.
సార్
ఫర్
మెషిన్
ఎగ్జాంపుల్
గార్డింగ్
ఏమవుతుందంటే
లేని
ఎలక్ట్రికల్ కేబుల్ ఉంది, ఎలక్ట్రికల్ కేబుల్ కి ఇన్సులేషన్ పోయింది, దట్ ఈస్ అన్ అన్సేఫ్ కండిషన్.
Ventilation proper గా లేకపోవడం.
ఎస్, దట్ ఈస్ అన్ అన్సేఫ్ కండిషన్. వెరీ గుడ్.
సార్ మెషిన్ గార్డింగ్ లేని ఎక్విప్మెంట్ యూజ్
కరెక్ట్.
చేయడం.
మిషన్ గార్డ్ లేని మిషన్స్, అన్సేఫ్ కండిషన్. వెరీ గుడ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్.
Defective tools, equipment, materials.
Correct. Defective tool. Whatever the tools we are using, it got worn or it is a damaged tool. That is unsafe condition. You are using the same damaged tool. That is unsafe action. Next. Sumesh. Cheppandi. Sorry, without guardrail?
Scaffold.
Yes. A scaffold without a guardrail, it is also an unsafe condition.
Water logging inside the electrical room and pathway, that would be the unsafe condition.
Correct. Water logging, the condition which makes unsafe for the people to work or unsafe for the people to go there. Okay, any other examples? Very good. Super.
స్లిప్పరీ కండిషన్స్ లో ఉన్న
by
ప్లేస్
using
లోనే
emergency.
హైట్ వర్క్.
Okay, slippery surfaces. Yes, Shekhar.
Sir,
Cheppandi. Yeah, what is your example, Shekhar? Okay, fine. No problem.
Which ones are social factors you asking for?
No, unsafe condition.
Okay, unsafe condition I have told, water logging and that pathway.
Okay, now you
Second
can
thing
tell
is
about
the-
social factor. Yes, Praveen, social factor. Any example? Social factors.
క్లైమేటిక్ కండిషన్స్.
Climatic condition will be unsafe condition.
Air pollution, sir.
Air pollution in the sense the contamination of air in your workplace, that is also unsafe condition. Social factor.
workers' behavior.
Yes, behavior, it is in a problem. Like peer pressure in the sense supervisor pressure or co-worker pressure. That is also one of the social factor. Or cultural issues, like the organization itself or the people who are working in that organization, they are nearby the people. Their culture itself, it is in a problem. Like any dress code, even in the factory or in the home, they use the same kind of dress code. Cultural workplace culture, that is also one of the factor. And also workplace culture, people will give more importance to the production only. There is no safety culture in the organization. Okay, these are the some of the examples for the social factors. Then anybody
Sir,
can give.
horseplay is a social factor or unsafe action?
No, horseplay is unsafe action.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Majorly social factor in the sense how a person got influenced or how a person is behaving. All this will be happens because of pressure or because of the way of living or the way of the practices they are following or the practices which they are following from the long durations. For example, if you see somebody who works in the same organization for 20 years, so they'll be in a feeling that they knows everything. He's working for that with that mission almost 20 years, nothing has happened. अभी कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, 20 साल से मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, अभी कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. That is also one kind of unsafe action or a behavior factor, we can say. They got over confidence. And even social factor, we can say lack of education also one of the social factor, or lack of awareness or lack of education, we can
And
say.
sir, recognitions of safety, good doing safety people or something, it could be non-reward and non-recognition.
That is we can say the cultural this thing, workplace culture. Yes, that is also one of the factor. Workplace culture itself, it is not there for the recognition of safety issues or safety best practices or who is following safety.
Right, sir. Right.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Near miss already we know, it's just miss an accident or something has been fall down just in front of you or just besides you or behind you, or you have just escaped from a vehicle which is passing very close to you. So those all will be the near misses, means just miss. Trutilo tappina pramadam. All this will be comes under near miss cases. I think hope most of you people know that Henrich accident hierarchy. If I'm not wrong, I think 300 near miss, which leads to 29 major cases and one fatal, which is a fatal case, which is minor injuries. These are near misses. It means for happening of one fatal case. What is mean by fatal? What is mean by fatal?
Then
Death,
cases,
sir.
sir.
Yes, fatal means
Serious
death.
injury.
No, not serious injury. Fatal means death case. చనిపోయినాడు. చనిపోవడాన్ని మనం fatal accident అంటాము. Fatal accident, which means it is in a death case. మనిషి
Okay, sir.
ప్రమాదానికి గురై చనిపోయాడు. ఓకే, హెన్రిచ్ యాక్సిడెంట్ హైరార్కీ థియరీ ఏం చెప్తుంది అంటే, ఫర్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ దిస్ వన్ fatal accidents, there are behind 29 minor or major incidents. Or for happening this 29, there are 300 near misses. So it is in a research. If you ask me, sir, why only 300 or why only 301 or 305, even I too not have an answer. Henrich is one of the scientists or management specialist. He has done a huge research and he has made this ratio. Okay, if you are not able to take action against this 300 near misses, you are allowing to happen this 29 minor or major cases. Here also you are failed to take action, you are failed, then you are allowing to happen this one fatal case. So that's why we should be very focused, or we should not ignore on the near miss cases, because those near miss cases will have high potential to directly with fatal also. So every organization should have an near miss reporting system, which should be monitored properly. And whoever reports the near miss, those workers or employees should be recognized. They should get some reward or some recognition for the participation. And whatever the near misses reported, we have to categorize minor, major, and severe. Based on those category, we have to take the actions. And whatever the actions you have taken, it should be known to the people. You should communicate, okay, Mr. Ramesh has reported one near miss, and this is the action taken and completed. So then what will happen? They will get the confidence on safety. Okay, हम जो भी कुछ बताएगा तो उन लोग एक्शन लेता है, so that कुछ फायदा होगा. సో ఏదైతే నియర్ మిస్ అనేవి రిపోర్ట్ చేస్తారో వర్కర్లు, వాటికి ఖచ్చితంగా మనము యాక్షన్స్ అనేవి తీసుకోవాలి, వాటికి తెలియపరచాలి. ఓకే రమేష్, మీరు ఈ నియర్ మిస్ ని రిపోర్ట్ చేశారు, దాన్ని మేము ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్ చేసి ఈ యాక్షన్ తీసుకున్నాము. సో ఇది ఓకేనా? బికాస్ దే ఆర్ ద పీపుల్, దే ఆర్ రియల్లీ వర్కింగ్ ఇన్ ద గ్రౌండ్, సో దే షుడ్ गेट द कॉन्फिडेंस. ओके, अभी ये बनाया, ठीक है, आगे कुछ नहीं होगा. Then only they will get the confidence on safety department. Then only they will give suggestions. Otherwise, they will say that, safety officer వస్తాడు, అన్ని రాసుకొని పోతాడు, ఏం ఉపయోగం లేదు. So we should not get into that mode. We should able to get the confidence of the people for make our job easy. మనకి ఎప్పుడైతే గ్రౌండ్ లెవెల్లో మనకి సపోర్ట్ ఉంటుందో, అక్కడ సేఫ్టీ ఆఫీసర్ పని అనేది చాలా ఈజీగా అయిపోతుంది. లేదు అంటే మనకి డైలీ కష్టాలే. సో వీ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ ఎ గుడ్ గ్రిప్ ఇన్ గ్రౌండ్ లెవెల్. ఓకే, if you see theories will be these are the topics we are going to discuss: why accident causation models, and also we will see the different accident causation models, and also we will conclude end of this session what are the different types. These are different theories like Heinrich domino theory, Frank Bird's updated domino theory, and Hepburn theory of 4 factors, and Peterson's accident model, and multiple causation theory, and Farrell's human factor model, Peterson's behavioral model, and systems model. Then Surrey's decision model, energy exchange model, cheese model, emerging latest models. These are the various theories of accident causation. Out of this, few are very important or mostly widely accepted in part of implementation and also exam point of view. Those we will discuss here. First theory is, it is very important, Heinrich domino theory. See, these are the dominoes. Dominoes in the sense, these are the blocks Heinrich has been assumed, and the bottom ones are the factors. For example, the first domino is environmental factors, fault of a person, unsafe condition, accident, injury. How it will happen? Because environmental factor, a person did a mistake, then it leads to unsafe condition, then accident, injury. If you are able to remove any one of this domino, ante any edaina oka itukoni, for example oka 5 ituklu unnayi anukunte edaina oka dani, for example unsafe condition తీసేసాను, so em avutundi ee rendu vachi ikkada padipotayi. All these dominoes will come and they'll fall down here, but it will not reach to accident. If there is no accident, it will not result into injury. Here if you see, the unsafe action, unsafe conditions continue a central factor in the accident. So if you see anywhere, unsafe actions or unsafe conditions will be the central factor, because unsafe actions, it can't be eliminated completely. Unsafe conditions up to one level we can able to eliminate. Even for this also, there is in a theory how it will happens. Unsafe, sorry, I'll go to the next slide. Here if you see unsafe actions, I think 88%. Then unsafe conditions.
Sorry,
No,
your
sorry, it
slide
is
is
not.
not.
It is 80%. Unsafe conditions is 8%, and act of God is 2%. So unsafe actions are 80% leads to accidents. Unsafe conditions are 18% lead to accident, and act of God is 2% contribution to accidents. So this is also Henrich's principle. He is telling that unsafe actions and unsafe conditions are the middle part or the central part of the accident. If you're able to remove 80% or unsafe actions, you can achieve 80% reduction in your accidents. If you're able to remove 100% unsafe conditions, you can able to remove 18% of your accidents. If you combine both together, which means almost if you are having good people, good safety culture, 98% of accidents can be eliminated. Another 2% are which are act of God, in the sense any floods, tsunami, earthquakes, etc., heavy winds. All this will be 2%, which is not in your control. So if you are effectively implement safety culture in your company by eliminating unsafe actions and eliminating unsafe conditions, you are keeping all your equipment are in good condition, earthings are in good condition, all pipelines are without any leakages, and all your equipments are properly guarded, all your pressure vessels are properly inspected and tested, all your tanks, chemical storage tanks with a proper dike wall, all your reactors will have a safety relief valves, all your equipments will have emergency stop buttons, all your equipments are no noise or no vibrations. So by considering all the unsafe conditions and unsafe actions, you can able to achieve 98% of reduction accidents in your workplace. Okay. This is not my own theory. This is also one of the management specialists. They've done research and they have given this numbers. Even you can search in Google also, you can get this detail. Fine. So here the thing is the removal of central factor makes the preceding factor ineffective. అంటే ఏంటి, అన్సేఫ్ కండిషన్ కానీ యాక్షన్ కానీ మనం తీసేయడం వల్ల మనము ప్రమాదాన్ని నివారించవచ్చు. We can able to prevent the accidents by removing the central factor. What is the central factor? Unsafe condition or unsafe action. See a good statement in the bottom. Accidents do not happen. They are caused. Means what? Accidentally, what అంతట అవి జరగవు, అవి మనం చేసుకున్నది. Caused means somebody has done a mistake. Then we have to remove the cause. Cause and ఏంటి? Reason. I've given an example for the last, I think in last week classes. Unsafe action, or a person is not wearing helmet. For he is not wearing helmet for the so many reasons. Maybe the PPE quality, or it is giving a discomfort, or he is not having awareness to use, or lack of supervision because of nobody is there, he is ignoring it, or intentionally is not using the PPE. These are many causes. So we have to eliminate the cause for the effective prevention of accidents. Okay. I am stopping here. We have a less than a minute. If you have any questions, we can discuss. Otherwise, we continue tomorrow.
Nothing from my end, sir.
Thank you, Praveen. I didn't got any response regarding IS 14889. Sorry, I also forgot 14489. Please read that standard. It is very useful. The question is yourself. You can assess your organization, the maturity level in safety.